Hello and welcome to Clipsmixxx channel. Today we have Kinderüberraschung surprise egg. Kinderüberraschung surprise egg. Surprise, surprise. Thank you very much. Till the next time with Clipsmixxx. Bye-bye.